Plano ng Department of Health na mamigay ng mga kondom sa mga eskwelahan simula sa susunod na taon para maiwasan ang pagkalat ng HIV at AIDS. Tulad po ng ibalita namin kanina. At kaugnay po niyan, makakausap natin si Health Secretary Pauline Ubial. Secretary Ubial, magandang umaga po. Si Ivan Merina po ito.
Magandang umaga, Ivan, at sa mga nakikinig at nanonood sa atin. Magandang umaga po.
Check, controversial na naman to Eskwelahan pa. Baka ano po yung layunin ng DOH dito at why schools?
Ang gusto mo natin talaga maging controversial po tayo para pag-usapan po ng mga tao ang ating sitwasyon ngayon sa HIV and AIDS. And ang strategy po is talagang the condom distribution will not be openly distributed, but it will be a venue to discuss to the young people how to prevent HIV/AIDS. So, ang strategy pa rin natin is ABC, yung abstinence. That is the first information and advocacy, delaying sexual debut. Pero if you cannot do that, then be faithful. Isang partner lang, and your partner must also be faithful to you. And last resort po ng ating mga kabataan, use condom if you cannot do A and B. So the condom distribution that we are actually advertising and promoting will be in the context of improving the knowledge of HIV transmission prevention and services among 15 to 24 years old.
Okay, I'm sure na-anticipate nyo na po itong argumentong ito ng mga magkikriticize dito sa gagawin ninyo na baka imbes na mapigilan yung mga kabataan, lalo silang maudyok, lalo silang ma-curious sa premarital sex dahil po sa gagawin natin na to.
Meron po tayong evidence. This is a strategy that is evidence-based. Marami na pong pagsusuri sa ibang bansa na even in Catholic schools, ginawa po nila itong strategy na to. And hindi po dumami ang nagsisex. Kung hindi, na kumonte yung teenage pregnancies at kumonte ang mga nagkakaroon ng sexually transmitted infection.
Kailan po natin ito balak umpisahan, Secretary?
So we're stressing out the details and the particulars with the DepEd kasi nga yung pinaka-issue namin dyan is the below 18 na mga kabataan na nasasaad ho sa ating RPRH law that they have to get parental consent. So yun po yung inaayos pa namin. But there are a lot of groups now that we are engaging with na nagkakaroon ng peer counseling or peer parang information dissemination. And they are also doing the condom distribution among their peers.
Sec, ngayon pa lamang po, bibigyan na namin kayo ng pagkakataon na kausapin ng Simbahang Katolika na isa po sa mga mas malamang tututol dito sa gagawin natin na ito.
Yung Simbahang Katolika po, I just been with the group. There was a conference parang 2 weeks ago and tumutulong po sila sa ating kampanya sa HIV/AIDS. Hindi nga lang po nila pinopromote yung condom distribution, but that's fine with us. That is something that we really need all sectors to work together. Ang gusto po natin na tulong sa simbahan ay yung correct information. Wag po yung misinformation ang pinapalaganap nila. And I think the Catholic Church is also willing to help us with the mental health and the drug abuse problem, yung counseling po na kinakailangan. Dito sa HIV/AIDS, kailangan rin po malaking bahagi ng ating campaign is the information and also education of the public on how to prevent HIV transmission and also to have themselves tested if they are doing risky behavior.
And to clarify, Secretary, hindi po ito population control measure but a measure to prevent the spread of HIV/AIDS.
Yes, yun po. And hindi po natin hiniwalay kasi yung tinatawag nating family planning with the strategy to prevent sexually transmitted infection with the use of condom. So malaki rin po ang teenage pregnancies natin. So if we can prevent that through the use of condoms, we will do that.
Secretary, maraming salamat po. Good morning.
Okay. Good morning. Mabuhay ho kayo.
Sa Health Secretary Pauline Ubial.